Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two fantastic drones for you: the Ruko F11GIM2 and the DJI Mini 3. We'll be comparing these drones in various categories to see which one comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Ruko F11GIM2 is priced at $564, while the DJI Mini 3 comes in at $798. It's clear that the Ruko F11GIM2 offers a more budget-friendly option compared to the DJI Mini 3. If you're looking for a drone that won't break the bank, the Ruko F11GIM2 is a great choice. Now, let's move on to the camera. The Ruko F11GIM2 boasts a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal and electric image stabilization technology. This ensures stable video recording and allows for 5x digital zoom and an 80-degree adjustable lens. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 also offers stunning imagery with its 4K HDR video capabilities, capturing details in both highlights and shadows. Both drones excel in the camera department, providing high-quality footage for your aerial shots. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Ruko F11GIM2 offers up to 32 minutes of flight time on a single charge, thanks to its intelligent batteries. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy a total flight time of 64 minutes per trip. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 takes it a step further with an impressive battery life of up to 38 minutes. Plus, with the option to extend the flight time up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, the DJI Mini 3 offers even more flexibility for longer adventures. Let's talk about the features these drones have to offer. The Ruko F11GIM2 comes with GPS functionalities including a return-to-home feature, GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly functions. It's perfect for capturing your outdoor activities or recording historical landmarks. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 offers true vertical shooting, allowing you to easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. Additionally, the DJI Mini 3 comes with quick shots, which lets you choose dynamic flight patterns or capture stunning panoramic views. Both drones have unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. Overall, the Ruko F11GIM2 is praised for its technology, battery life, and affordability. Reviewers mention its lack of obstacle avoidance and the need to register with the FAA. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 is highly recommended for its camera quality, beginner-friendly features, and extended battery life. Reviewers also appreciate its stability in high wind and compatibility with accessories. The choice between these drones ultimately depends on specific requirements and budget. And there you have it. We've compared the Ruko F11GIM2 and the DJI Mini 3 in various categories, from price to camera quality, battery life, and features. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific requirements and budget. If you're looking for a more affordable option with great camera capabilities, the Ruko F11GIM2 is a solid choice. However, if you're willing to invest in a drone with extended battery life and advanced features like true vertical shooting and quick shots, then the DJI Mini 3 is the way to go. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and remember to always buy smart.